Good morning, students. Our lesson is Electrochemistry, Part 1, third lesson. And last class, we discussed about conductivity of electrodes and electrochemical cell. And another topic is ionic mobility, means conduction in electrolytic solutions. Means solution में conductivity होगा तो electrolyte होता है, means liquid में electrical conductance होगा तो electrolyte. So last class we discussed about ionic mobility, solution which having positive ion and negative ion which can pass the electricity through itself. That's why that solution is one of the best example for electrolytic solution. And in that, the substance which can form positive and negative ion, that is known as electrolyte. Means the solute substance is known as electrolyte. And different electrolytes having different capacity of conduction of electricity. And now today we are going to discuss molar conductivity. Means electrolyte can conduct electricity through itself, it is clear. But this conduction will depend on the concentration of the solution. When solution means electrolyte. When the electrolyte will be dissolved in the solution, then solvent, then solution will be obtained. Then the concentration of solute will be depend decide the conduction of amount of the electricity. Means the substance which can dissolve, means when concentration will be increased, conduction also increase. Clear? तो सॉल्यूशन में जो कंडक्टेंस होता है, सॉल्यूशन का कंडक्टेंस को भी किस पे डिपेंड होता है, कॉन्सेंट्रेशन पे डिपेंड होता है. दैट्स व्हाई हियर वी कैन यूज दिस कंडक्शन इन मोलर कंडक्शन. मोलर कंडक्टिविटी, molar conductivity. This molar conductivity is the solutions of different electrolyte in the same solvent have different conductivities at the same time at the same temperature. The reason for this is the size of ions produced and the electrical charge on the ions. Means different electrolyte having different conductivity. We molar conductivity is the only conductivity. Different electrolyte having different conduction of electricity capacity with the same temperature, and this will depend on the size of ion as well as charge of ion. Means some ions having size smaller, some having bigger size, and some ions having positive charge maximum, means plus 1 plus 2 plus 3. It is also beside the conductivity capacity. And next one, the migration of ion under the effect of concentration of electrolyte. The electrical pressure are responsible for different conductivities. Here, migration of ion under the effect of concentration of electrolyte as well as electrical pressure are responsible for different conductivities. So it is more meaningful to express the conduction of solutions in molar conductivities. So solution to conductivity of molar conductivity में express करना best way of it. Reason, concentration will decide the conduction of the electrolyte solution. Okay, so concentration we can measure molarity, moles per liter, normality, etc. That's why the word given here conductivity for solution molar conductivity. Molar conductivity is expressed as lambda in, this one is lambda, and m is molar conductivity. Means last class में ये डिसाइड किया सॉलिड सब्सटेंस इलेक्ट्रोड है, इलेक्ट्रोड का कंडक्टिविटी को, कंडक्शन को कैसे एक्सप्रेस किया, जी कैपिटल जी में, कैपिटल जी में इलेक्ट्रोलाइट का सॉरी इलेक्ट्रोड का कंडक्टिविटी को एक्सप्रेस किया. क्लियर? एंड रेसिस्टिविटी को आर से इंडिकेट किया, स्पेसिफिक रेसिस्टिविटी, स्पेसिफिक कंडक्शन एक्सेट्रा. सिमिलरली यहाँ पे लिक्विड का सॉल्यूशन का इलेक्ट्रोलाइट का कंडक्शन को एक्सप्रेस करने को मोलर कंडक्टिविटी को यूज करना. दैट मोलर कंडक्टिविटी इज इंडिकेटेड विद लैम्डा here. This molar conductivity is equals to K into 1000 upon C. Lambda here is equals to K into 1000 upon C. Here, Lambda m is molar conductivity and K is specific conductivity constant. K is specific conductivity and C equal concentration of the electrolyte. The units of molar conductivity is mho centimeter square mole inverse. Mho centimeter square and mole inverse. Mho centimeter square is from per mole concentration of solution. These are the units used to express the molar conductivity. Specific conductivity concentration and this word is molar conductivity. And next, this molar conductivity, moles per liter means compulsory molarity value. In case the concentration of electrolyte is in normality, then this word will be changed gram equivalent weight inverse. Say mho centimeter square gram equivalent weight inverse. Next, the changes in conductivity of solution with degree in its change in its concentration. The molar conductivity change in its concentration. Here, if there is change in concentration of electrolyte dissolved in its solution, then the conductivity as well as molar conductivity changes. Simple. The change in concentration of electrolyte. The electrolyte का concentration change होगा तो one conduction will be changed as well as molar conductivity also change. Means electrolyte solution का concentration change होगा तो conductivity change होगा as well as molar conductivity change होगा. In both weak and strong electrolytes, the conductivity increases with decrease in concentration of solution. Clear? This point is very important. Both means weak and strong electrolytes. Weak and strong electrolytes. Concentration will be decreasing, conduction will be increasing. This is clear. The conduction increases with decreasing concentration of solution. The conduction concentration for weak and strong electrolytes will be in relation with concentration. यहाँ पे weak and strong electrolyte conductivity concentration पे depend है. Clear? तो solution में क्या होता है? Actually starting वर्ड ये बता दिया मैंने. Concentration increase होगा तो conduction increase होगा. Clear? तो actually molar conductivity लेना. Molar conductivity compulsory यहाँ पे moles per liter है, क्योंकि molarity वर्ड को यूज कर रहे हैं. यहाँ पे volume compulsory participate करें. Means ions move होने के लिए मैक्सिमम स्पेस होना चाहिए. मैक्सिमम स्पेस होगा तो कैरिंग ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी थ्रू द पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव आयन विल बी इंक्रीजिंग, देन कंडक्शन विल बी इंक्रीजिंग. व्हेन द कंसंट्रेशन विल बी इंक्रीजिंग, द वॉल्यूम ऑफ द सॉल्यूशन विल बी decreasing, then mobility of ions will be decreasing, then conduction also will be decreasing. Means concentration is inversely proportional with conduction. Conduction means passing of electricity. तो concentration increase होगा तो conduction decrease होगा. Concentration decrease होगा तो conduction increase होगा. Simple logic. It will completely place with volume. Volume पे depend होता है. Volume maximum होगा तो mobility ज़्यादा रहेगा. Moving होने वाला positive negative ions को space ज़्यादा मिलेगा. Maximum pass होगा तो conduction maximum रहेगा. When we increase the concentration of the solution, कॉन्सेंट्रेशन ऑफ किसको इंक्रीज कर रहा है? इलेक्ट्रोलाइट को ऐड कर रहा है, मतलब सोल्यूट को ऐड कर रहा है. सॉल्वेंट को वॉल्यूम ऐसे ही रहता है, सॉल्वेंट ऐड नहीं कर रहा है, ओनली सोल्यूट ऐड कर रहा है. सोल्यूट दैट मींस इलेक्ट्रोलाइट. इलेक्ट्रोलाइट सॉल्वेंट में डिसॉल्व होकर नंबर ऑफ आयंस को प्रोड्यूस करेंगे. तो नंबर ऑफ आयंस जितना इंक्रीज होगा बट वॉल्यूम ऑफ द कंटेनर इज कांस्टेंट, नो चेंज, देन आयंस विल नॉट मूव बाय मोबिलिटी इजीली, मतलब मूविंग इजीली नहीं होगा, तो मैक्सिमम डिस्टेंस पास नहीं होगा, तो कंडक्शन विल बी डिक्रीज. And next one, with the decrease in concentration of solution, the number of ions in unit volume carrying electric charge increases. This is the point important. With the decrease in concentration of solution, the number of ions in unit volume carrying electric charge increases. Means dilution का word बता रहा है यहाँ पे, dilution. तो concentration increase करेंगे तो conduction decrease होगा. Clear? concentration को decrease कर रहा है तो concentration को decrease करने के लिए क्या ऐड करना है? सॉल्वेंट को ऐड करेंगे, सॉल्वेंट ऐड करेंगे तो ऑटोमेटिक द वॉल्यूम ऑफ द सॉल्यूशन विल बी इंक्रीज एंड कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ सोल्यूट विल बी डिक्रीज मींस electrolyte का proportion decrease होगा, concentration of overall solution will be decreased. Then the conduction will be increased. Means on dilution, the conduction of electrolyte will be increased. And it is clear from the fact that the conductivity of solution increases with dilution. So dilute करेंगे तो conductivity of solution will be increased. The electrical conduction by the solution of electrolyte even concentration having unit volume between two platinum electrodes passing unit cross section and at a distance of unit length is called conductivity of solution. Clear? Similarly, हम लोग यहाँ पे electrolyte conductivity का information लिखा G is equals to K into E upon L, that is equals to K. Okay. Here G is conductivity, constant, cross section, area cross section, and length of the distance between two electrodes. Clear? And next, thus the conductivity of volume V having one mole electrolyte solution between two electrodes passing unit cross section and at a distance of unit length is called molar conductivity. Similarly, यहाँ पे ये की जगह पे वॉल्यूम लेंगे तो सिमिलरली in electrochemical cell. Here we use two electrodes. These two electrodes are dipped in the solution only, and the solution having electrolyte positive, negative, and platinum electrodes are dipped in the solution. Platinum electrode के बीच में जो distance है वो length हो जाएगा. वॉल्यूम सॉल्यूशन का वॉल्यूम जो होता है वो A is equals to V. तो मोलर कंडक्टिविटी यहाँ पे आप जब वन मोल इलेक्ट्रोलाइट सॉल्यूशन बिटवीन टू electrodes passing unit cross section at a distance of unit length is called molar conductivity. That is equals to molar conductivity lambda m is equals to K upon L. Similarly, यहाँ पे भी सेम कंडक्शन ये कंडक्टिविटी का प्रिंसिपल ये होगा तो लैम्डा m is equals to K, क्योंकि यहाँ पे एक ही जगह पे V यूज करेंगे तो मोलर कंडक्टिविटी लिख सकते हैं. Here L is equals to 1 and E is equals to V. E की जगह पे हम लोग यहाँ पे वॉल्यूम लिया V, then this is lambda m is equals to K into V. This is the principle used to find the molar conductivity. Clear? If the volume, if the total volume of a solution of 1 mole electrolyte is increasing, the concentration of the solution decreases and so the molar conductivity increases. So यहाँ पे ये जो information बताते हैं ये principle को applicate करो. When the dilution will be increasing, means V will be increasing. Dilute कर रहे हैं तो solvent को add कर रहे हैं, solvent को add करेंगे तो total volume of the solution will be increasing. The V will be increasing, the conduction, molar conductivity of the solution will be increased. Clear? Next, one mole electrolyte is increasing. Reason: if the total volume V of a solution of one mole electrolyte is increased, V increases, the molar conductivity of the solution will be increased. When the value of concentration become about zero, तो हम लोग यहाँ पे क्या कर रहे हैं? वॉल्यूम को इंक्रीज कर रहे हैं, सॉल्वेंट को ऐड कर रहे हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल NaCl डिसॉल्व किया, 1 liter water, 1 gram of NaCl will be dissolved, then positive negative ions form, then minimum conduction is there, but we add some water, means solvent का proportion को increase कर रहे हैं, then volume of the solution will be increased, then mobility of ions will be increased, conduction will be increased, means the volume of solution will be increased, means V will be increased, molar conductivity will be increased, means dilute करते जाए. कब तक dilute कर रहे हैं? Infinite dilute. Infinite dilution means here the conduction, when the value of concentration becomes zero at infinite dilution, the molar conductivity is called limiting molar conductivity. Here another word is very important: limiting molar conductivity. Limiting molar conductivity. Limiting molar conductivity. limiting molar conductivity also one of the important. Here, molar conductivity, and this one is limiting molar conductivity. Molar conductivity is indicated with lambda m, and limiting molar conductivity is indicated with lambda naught. Limiting molar conductivity is indicated with lambda naught m. What is limiting molar conductivity? Here, when we dilute the solution, the concentration of solution will be decreased and conduction will be increased. तो ये decreasing in concentration of the solution, तो वैसे ही हम लोग वाटर ऐड करते ही रहेंगे, कब तक कंडक्शन इंक्रीज होगा? एट मिनिमम पॉइंट it will be increasing. After dilution it will be decreasing, means the conduction become about zero. तो zero तक कब होगा? Infinite dilution में, means for example 1 liter, for example इसमें 1 liter water है, 1 gram NaCl, okay, तो minimum conduction ये liter of volume of water को increase करना, 1 liter 2 liter, 1 gram of 1 molar substance, 1 molar 1 molar NaCl, we increasing the volume of water, तो 1 liter ऐड किया, ऑलरेडी 1 liter में 1 मोल है, तो 1 मोल ऐसे ही रहेगा, तो 1 liter of volume of water increase कर 1.5 liter 2 liter 3, for example 1.5 liter 2 liter तक concentration increase होगा, means dilute करेंगे तो concentration increase होती रहेगी at infinite dilution, तो maximum 2 liter 3 liter 4 liter 5 liter 10 liter तक ऐड करेंगे, 10 etc. एग्जाम्पल 10 लीटर, 10 लीटर में क्या होता है? ज्यादा डाइल्यूशन आता है, बहुत डाइल्यूटेड, मीन्स इसका कॉन्सेंट्रेशन बहुत कम हो जाएगा, मीन्स ये डाइल्यूट करेंगे तो कॉन्सेंट्रेशन ऑफ NaCl विल बी डिक्रीज्ड इन द सॉल्यूशन, तो मैक्सिमम डिक्रीज होगा, इतना डिक्रीज होगा, फॉर एग्जांपल 50 लीटर है, 50 लीटर है 1 मोल, तो ये नेग्लिजिबल भी हो सकता है, तो वॉल्यूम ऑफ सॉल्वेंट इज मैक्सिमम, the solute is minimum 1 mole, so it is negligible comparison with the volume of the solvent. Then at this point the conduction of this solution is about 0. This time at infinite dilution, means infinite dilution will be about nearly 0, exact 0 नहीं होगा, near means उसके बाद जो भी आप डाइल्यूट करेगा वो 0 हो जाएगा. Before 0 conduction, the conductivity of that solution is known as limiting molar conductivity. Limiting molar conductivity means dilution आप करते रहो, at the point the conduction will be 0, means before the 0 point, तो 0 होने के लिए 0 मतलब 0.0000123 some value of conduction होगा, so that before, after that when we add 1 drop of solvent, then it will become 0 conduction. Before 0 conductance, the concentration of that solution, infinite dilution. At infinite dilution, the conductivity of that solution is known as limiting molar conductivity. और एक बार explain करता हूँ. Limiting molar conductivity means infinite dilution, maximum dilute कर दिया. At maximum dilution, the concentration of electrolyte will be near about 0, not 100% 0, 99.99% 0. At this point, that solution having minimum conductance, very less conductance. That point of conduction of that solution is known as limiting molar conductivity. That means at infinite dilution, the conductivity of that solution is known as limiting molar conductivity. Infinite dilution पे solution का जो conductivity होता है, that is known as limiting molar conductivity. This limiting molar conductivity is expressed as lambda EM. And this limiting molar conductivity, molar conductivity at infinite dilution, limiting molar conductivity is expressed as lambda naught m and gives different proportion of ions by which by more or less, means different proportions of ions. So means depend on the electrolyte, different proportion of ions will be there in the solution. Hence, one which give more ions will show more conductivity. Which limiting molar conductivity also decide the conductivity of different solutions having different कंडक्टिविटीज। तो लिमिटिंग मोलर कंडक्टिविटी एट इनफिनिट डाइल्यूशन में different substance different number of ions को produce करेंगे. The substance one which give more ions will show more conductivity. It is strong electrolyte, means the substance which can 100% dissolve in water, which can give more ions, that is known as strong electrolyte. Strong electrolyte. This one is strong electrolyte. Strong electrolyte, this will give more ions after dilution in solvent. And example of this one, aqueous solution of sodium chloride, potassium chloride, magnesium chloride, and potassium nitrate, etc. Potassium chloride, sodium chloride, potassium nitrate, and magnesium chloride, MgCl2, etc. Aqueous solutions of these substances are strong electrolytes. This will complete dissolve in water and forms maximum ions. So that is known as strong electrolyte. And another one, if an electrolyte ionizes less in aqueous solution and gives less number of ions and therefore shows less conductivity, is called weak electrolyte. It's not quite opposite. तो dilution कम हो तो number of ions कम formation करेंगे, less number of ions formation करेंगे तो वो weak electrolyte. Weak electrolyte. For example of weak electrolytes are aqueous solutions of acetic acid, ammonium hydroxide, and HCl. Acetic acid, CH3C thermonucleic acid. Acetic acid is one of the best example for weak electrolyte. And another one is ammonium hydroxide, NH4, OH is also one of the best example for weak electrolyte. And HCl also one of the best example for weak electrolytes. Means this substance when dissolved in water, it is not 100% ionization. Ionization positive negative form होना चाहिए. ये 100% ionization नहीं है. ये 100% ionization होगा. 100% ionization होगा तो maximum positive negative ions formation करेगा. It will give us a strong electrolyte. It will give us a weak electrolyte due to incomplete dissolution. And next we are going to discuss the conductivity of electrolytes. Here, conductivity of electrolyte. First one, conductivity, molar conductivity, limiting molar conductivity, and this will conductivity, molar conductivity depend on both type of electrolytes. One is strong electrolyte, one is weak electrolyte. Now we are going to study the conductivity of strong electrolytes. This one, conductivity of strong electrolytes. There is increase in the value of lambda m of a strong electrolyte on dilution of its solution. Okay. Strong electrolyte का conduction and conductivity of strong electrolyte. Strong electrolyte. Conductivity of strong electrolyte. In this strong electrolyte, when we dilute the solution, the conductivity will be increases. On dilution, the strong electrolyte solution conduction will be increasing. This is expressed with the formula lambda is equals to lambda naught m minus a into c power 1 by. This is the principle used to find the लैम्डा है. सर स्टार्टिंग में आप एक लैम्डा बताएं, यहाँ पे एक लैम्डा बताएं. लैम्डा मीन्स मोलर कंडक्टिविटी. दिस प्रिंसिपल यूज्ड टू फाइंड द मोलर कंडक्टिविटी विद द ग्राफ. ग्राफ से मोलर कंडक्टिविटी को फाइंड आउट करने के लिए ये प्रिंसिपल यूज करते हैं. एक्सपेरिमेंटली कंसंट्रेशन अपने पास है, k का वैल्यू अपने पास है, तो वो लैम्डा m इज इक्वल टू 1000/c. ग्राफिकल मेथड ये इसको यूज करके कंडक्टिविटी ऑफ द इलेक्ट्रोलाइट, स्ट्रॉन्ग इलेक्ट्रोलाइट का फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. ये तो स्ट्रॉन्ग इलेक्ट्रोलाइट का इसमें एक ऑब्जर्व करो, लैम्डा m मोलर कंडक्टिविटी इज इक्वल्स टू Limiting molar conductivity minus A into C power 1 by 2. ये constant ये depend on the type of solution, nature of dissociation, positive negative आयन को डिसाइड कर रही है, उसका साइज, चार्ज ये डिसाइड कर रही है. C means concentration, limiting molar conductivity, and this one is conductivity. When we draw between lambda n versus C, means molar conductivity versus C power 1 by 2, इसमें ग्राफ ड्रॉ, strong electrolyte draw करो. Here C 1 by 2 concentration moles per liter, C moles per liter 1 by 2. Here and next here one of the electrolyte is strong electrolyte. Example is KCl. KCl one of the best example for strong electrolyte. When we plot graph straight line मिलेगा आपको, straight line मिलेगा. This is the straight line will obtain when we draw the graph between molar conductivity versus concentration power. Here the intercept यहाँ पे क्या होगा, lambda m molar conductivity. Molar conductivity का unit Siemens centimeter square moles per moles inverse. Here then here this intercept will give the value of lambda. This is molar conductivity यहाँ से मिलेगा और यहाँ पे स्लोप मिलेगा आपको. this slope value will give the value of A का वैल्यू स्लोप से मिलेगा. Here this slope is equals to B का वैल्यू के पास C वैल्यू मिलेगा, लैम्डा डायरेक्टली यहाँ से ये इंटरसेप्ट वैल्यू गिव्स द लैम्डा नॉट m लिमिटिंग मोलर कंडक्टिविटी ये वैल्यू बताओ. If a graph of values of lambda against C power 1 by 2 is plotted, straight line is obtained, the intercept of this graph will be the value of limiting molar conductivity and the value of the slope will be E. The value of E depends on the type of electrolyte. Its dissociation into positive and negative ion means electrolyte will depend on the nature of electrolyte will decide the value of A. Given solvent and temperature, sodium chloride, potassium chloride, calcium chloride, and magnesium chloride are strong electrolytes having 1:1, 1:1, 2:1, 2:2, 2:1 type valencies. The value of A are same for all the same type of electrolytes. So strong electrolytes, same type of electrolytes का ये value सबका same value यहाँ पे example दिया है. A major NaCl and KCl, CaCl2, CaCl2 and MgCl, sodium chloride, potassium chloride, calcium chloride, and magnesium chloride. The ion species, ion is very positive, negative 1:1. Here ion is 1 to 8 plus 3 minus 1:1. Ce plus 2 plus 2Cl minus. That's why 1:2 Mg 2:1 ions means nature of the electrolyte will decide the value of E. इस ग्राफ को यूज करके आपको स्ट्रॉन्ग इलेक्ट्रोलाइट का मोलर कंडक्टिविटी को फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं एज वेल एज लिमिटिंग मोलर कंडक्टिविटी यहाँ पे इंटरसेप्ट से फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, मींस इंटरसेप्ट को फॉर्म हुआ स्ट्रेट लाइन होगा तो स्लोप आ जाएगा एज वेल एज इंटरसेप्ट मिलेगा. इन केस व्हेन वी ड्रा द ग्राफ ऑफ weak electrolyte means now we are going to discuss weak electrolyte conductivity. So strong electrolyte में ये final है. When we dilute the solution, the conductivity of the solution will be increased. Strong electrolyte. तो यहाँ पे straight line आता है इसलिए ये equation की है. Next one we are going to discuss weak electrolyte. Weak electrolyte का grammar similar main principle. तो C 1 by 2 lambda m. यहाँ पे ग्राफ आपको एक कर्व है. कर्व इज वीक इलेक्ट्रोलाइट CH3 तो इसमें से स्लोप नहीं है तो लैम्डा m वैल्यू फाइंड करना इज पॉजिटिव फ्रॉम दिस कर्व. तो लिमिटिंग मोलर कंडक्टिविटी ये ग्राफ से फाइंड आउट कर नहीं सकते। मतलब लिमिटिंग मोलर कंडक्टिविटी ऑलरेडी इलेक्ट्रोलाइट इज वीक इलेक्ट्रोलाइट को भी डाइल्यूट करो, समटाइम इट विल इंक्रीज द कंडक्शन। मींस वीक इलेक्ट्रोलाइट का होने दो, स्ट्रॉन्ग इलेक्ट्रोलाइट का होने दो, डाइल्यूट करो, कंडक्शन इंक्रीज होते ही रहेगी। बट वी कैन फाइंड द लिमिटिंग मोलर कंडक्टिविटी ऑफ only strong electrolytes, but we cannot able to find the limiting molar conductivity of the weak electrolytes through the graph. तो ग्राफ में से क्या होता है, लिमिटिंग मोलर कंडक्टिविटी फाइंड आउट इम्पॉसिबल बिकॉज इंटरसेप्ट तो नहीं है यहाँ पे, तो लिमिटिंग मोलर कंडक्टिविटी फाइंड आउट नहीं कर सकते। तो लिमिटिंग मोलर कंडक्टिविटी को फाइंड आउट करने के लिए किसका, वीक इलेक्ट्रोलाइट लिमिटिंग मोलर कंडक्टिविटी फाइंड आउट करने के लिए एक प्रिंसिपल है, दैट प्रिंसिपल इज Kohlrausch law. Kohlrausch law principle easily explains the limiting molar conductivity of the weak electrolytes. तो strong electrolyte का प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, strong electrolyte का ग्राफ से limiting molar conductivity then molar conductivity को फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं। बट weak electrolyte में क्या होता है, ग्राफ जो है कर्व होगा तो इंटरसेप्ट नहीं मिलेगा, तो इसलिए लिमिटिंग मोलर ऑलरेडी इलेक्ट्रोलाइट वीक इलेक्ट्रोलाइट को इनफिनिट डायल्यूट तक लेके जाओ, ऑलमोस्ट नंबर ऑफ आयंस विल बी इक्वल टू 0। टोटल वॉल्यूम ऑफ सॉल्वेंट से कंपेयर करेंगे तो वॉल्यूम ऑफ सोल्यूट इज नेग्लिजिबल, then at the time of infinite dilution of weak electrolyte the conduction will be 0. That's why we cannot able to find the limiting molar conductivity of weak electrolytes. How we can find the limiting molar conductivity of the weak electrolyte? By using Kohlrausch law principle. तो दोनों का कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर, कॉन्सेंट्रेशन इंक्रीज होगा, सॉरी concentration increase होगा तो conduction increase होगा, but when we use this principle molar conductivity, then on dilution the conductivity of weak and strong electrolytes will be increasing. dilute करेंगे तो strong weak का conduction increase होगा, dilution conduction will be increasing, but we can find the limiting molar conductivity for only strong electrolytes. You cannot find the limiting molar conductivity weak electrolyte because already that electrolyte is weak electrolyte. At infinite dilution the number of ions at infinite dilution of weak electrolyte will be 0. At that point the conduction of that solution will be 0. That's why how we can find the limiting molar conductivity of weak electrolytes. By using Kohlrausch law principle, we can find the limiting molar conductivity of the weak electrolytes. Here, and next, the conductivity at infinite dilution increases in the form of a curve when the graph of lambda naught m for such solution is extrapolated towards x-axis. The value of limiting molar conductivity at infinite dilution, almost zero concentration, it is not obtained. Concentration 0 हो जाएगा, so it is not obtained. The values of limiting molar conductivity at such electrolyte can be obtained by Kohlrausch law of independent migration. Kohlrausch law of independent migration principle को यूज करके, Kohlrausch law principle को यूज करके हम लोग weak electrolyte का limiting molar conductivity को find out कर सकते हैं. So next class we will discuss to find out the limiting molar conductivity of weak electrolyte by using Kohlrausch law principle.